Welcome to Khetz Tutorials, and in this video, I'll be covering question 4 from 1.2 exercises in James Stewart calculus. So you're asked to match each equation to a graph. So let's start. The first one is y equals 3x. So this is a linear function or a straight line. Let's see if we have any straight lines. So this green one is a straight line, as you can see, and that would be the answer for the first one. So the first one's a straight line, and there's only one straight line, so you can give it that. And the next one is y equals 3 to the power x. That's an exponential function, and exponential functions would look like this or like this. So let's see if we have any exponential function here, and particularly because this has a positive a, so expect it to be above, and it is an increasing, so the normal form would be like this, right? Then if this a here is positive, then expect it to be above the asymptote, and its asymptote would be q, and that is 0. So this would be the asymptote. So expect it to be above the asymptote because our a is 1, so we expect to look up here, and its b is greater than 1, so expect it to be positive. So expect it to look like this. So we're going to look at the diagram for a function which is above the x line and with this shape. And this would be the only one over here. It doesn't cross that line because it's an asymptote, and it has the shape that we're expecting a positive exponential or an increasing exponential function to have. So we're going to assign that small f to the second one. And the third one is a cubic function. And that cubic function has an a of 1, so expect it to look like this. And let's see if we have such a function. There it is there. And we're going to assign that. So that is capital F. Then the next one, well, there's only one option left. It's a root function, and this is what it looks like.